Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix file cannot unverified Google Chrome. So to do this, first is you could just simply go ahead and do some changes on the settings. So go to the three dots on the top right corner of the screen, and now over here you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings. Now, over here, guys, you could just simply go for the privacy and security tab over here on the left side of the screen. And now you will have an option over here, security. So, guys, to bypass this, you just have to select no protection over here. But as you can see, this is not recommended by the Chrome itself, as this might have some viruses. That's why it's protecting you from malicious software. But from here, you can just simply turn this off and you should be able to fix the issue.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.